Hello, my name is Ian and I'm over here at Beaver Toyota, and today we're going to go over Tuesday's tip for the new safety features for the XLE RAV4. So an amazing feature for the RAV4 is going to be the blind spot monitoring. This is extremely necessary when it comes to driving because you may do everything correct while driving in the middle of the lane, and if you want to make a right or a left to change lanes, then the blind spot monitoring is going to have your back and make sure nobody's in that lane you're trying to get into. So another amazing feature for the RAV4 XLE is the radar dynamic cruise control. So if you're on the highway and you have your cruise control settings met to your needs, then what it does is that it matches that speed to the vehicle in front of you. So that prevents any accident that way, which is a key feature to have in a RAV4 XLE. Another amazing feature is going to be the automatic high beam display. So when you're driving on the road and it gets a little too dark, Toyota's got your back to have the automatic high beams for all your safety needs so you can see what's in front of you. This RAV4 XLE 2022 has lane departure assist and lane keep assist. So it's all to help you while you're driving to have a safe, easy ride in the same lane you belong in. This RAV4 XLE 2022 has roadside assist, which means whenever you pass a road sign that you may not are familiar of, it's going to come up on your heads-up display explaining to you what that sign is and tell you what's ahead to come. This RAV4 XLE 2022 has pedestrian detection and bicycle detection to help you be a safe driver and to keep an eye out for all of the pedestrian and bicyclists in your area. So these sensors take care of those needs to make sure that you don't get a little too close to them when driving. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Ian and that's Tuesday's tip for Beaver Toyota. Have a great day.